Hi, welcome to the experiment which is related to the RPC, that is remote procedure call, and we want to control the servo by using remote procedure call. Now in this it's little, the code wise it's not a big thing, but however we need to understand its process. So let me just explain you the program first. So this is we will first load the PWM because we are going to rely on pulse width modulation. Then config and GPIO we obviously require for executing various programs, and now we are going to rely on RPC, that is remote procedure call. So now you can see this RPC handler is added actually here. So if I just type RPC, then you will get different things like you can call, you can do like add handler. So we are now going to add an handler which will be invoked. So here you can see add handler. So here it takes two parameters, one is the name and another is, so name is like a my method, that means the method, and handler is a callback function, so which will take the different arguments which are object. So this is about this one, and it is basically like if there is an error, then it will be, so like if the handler is going to return an object with a numeric error attribute, an optional message that is a string attribute, the caller will get a failure. Okay. So this is basically the usage, and you can see in this example like basically we are able to use this the way in which it has been explained in the example or in this documentation. So what you are able to see. So let's now try to go into this. So this is the add handler, and here in this add handler, so rpc.add handler, so this is the name of that is the string. So this is the PWM, the name of the RPC will be PWM. So this process basically creates a RPC. This process which is an RPC is going to create a service, and we are going to invoke that service which is basically an handler. This is the name of the string, this is the name. So this is what I have shown you. Let me just once again, so this is that one is the name and another is the handler. So handler is obviously the function where the arguments will be passed, and name is the name of the service that will be created. So I hope now it is clear. So this rpc.add handler, then PWM is the name of the service, and then the arguments that are passed. We are just printing this message, and how are we printing? We are first stringifying it. So we will know actually the parameter that we are passing, and the parameters that we will pass will be pin, frequency, and the duty cycle. So this PWM.set will basically take three parameters. So PWM.set takes three parameters. So one is the pin, frequency, and the duty. It's again basic frequency is the frequency of the PWM, so which is in hertz, and the duty specifies the fraction of the cycle that is spent on 1 or 0. That means whether it is a whatever, like you basically can send it like whether it is a 50% or 10% or 2% like that. So that's basically the thing. So these are the PWM.set, and we have passed those parameters, and we are just returning the true because we are just doing setting of that. Now let me just explain you where this service is created. So you need to go to this device service. So once you basically load this, so maybe I will load in front of you so that this becomes clear. So let me first save this program. Once we are saved, then we will basically upload this program. So you can see these messages are coming. So all those things have come. So here you can see it's still going on. This process is a bit longer process when we are doing the RPC service creation, that is an RPC. So now it is complete. So this process is complete. Now let's go to the program. Now we need to go to the device service. So in the device service you will see this is the PWM service that we just created. By when we loaded, it will automatically create a service, and here there is a button which says call RPC service PWM. This is the name of the service, that is PWM we ourselves have given in the program, and it is going to take three parameters, that is pin, then frequency, and duty. So this wording should exactly match because we are going to do stringify there when we are putting it on the screen or on the console. So now I will just obviously this has been explained or demonstrated when we were doing when we recorded the working of the program. So now let me just put some number, maybe we'll put some 12 number or whatever. So now it gets rotated and it will basically got the RPC. So now you can see this message which says you got the RPC with this. So obviously I'm not currently capturing because that has already been done. So if I now do it, say 4, so again it got rotated. Maybe you might have heard the sound, and then it will say that this is the duty, then the frequency, and the pin. So like that we can actually control remotely the behavior of a servo motor by using a remote procedure call. I hope you like this experiment. The code wise it's not big, however the concept and creating of a service is very important. Thank you.